guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vegan Bree. I mostly talk about all things vegan and cruelty-free beauty, and I'm doing a shop my stash look. Some of these things are new, some of these things are not new, but they may be new to me, or they're oldies but goodies. So I've been really liking this like outer corner kind of thing. My husband said for me to do purple today. Okay, so I mixed Fright and Cauldron before. This is the Spook palette from Grwm Girls. The purple is so good. And then I'm going to take the Province palette from Nomad. I really like using the outer corner shade first and then kind of like buffing it out. I've been liking the effect. Cosmetics, I'm using the shade Fall Edit. I got this gifted to me by Ipsy in my Ipsy, I think it was a Glam Bag Plus bag. That video is already up on my channel. And I'm going to be posting a TikTok and Reels and Shorts and stuff on what I received. I got the Glam Bag Plus as well as the regular Glam Bag, and I was really impressed for the most part. So yeah, I'm gonna do obviously my October favorites. Well, I'm gonna be actually doing like a little review. I'm gonna be doing like a review video on recent purchases and everything, even though I'm on a no buy this month. So only thing, I did buy one eyeshadow from Terra Moons on Amazon, and my husband's gonna get me the new Terra Moons palette, and then we'll see how much the singles are. The Province palette from Nomad, I'm taking the gray kind of purpley bluish shade, if that makes sense. And my dog is drinking water. This room is kind of like a hodgepodge. We went furniture shopping today because we're trying to get a dining room table, like a bigger one. I have one from like Amazon, or no, I have one from Facebook Marketplace that is like super, it's okay. The chairs are crap. We have bought more chairs for it, and they've fallen apart. They are just awful. It's, you know, when it's bad and you need new chairs, when you literally have to be like, oh no, that one's broken, don't sit there. So, and we've tried to fix them multiple times and they're just not good quality. So we went to a furniture shop today, and like, I don't know, I'm just not really into modern furniture for the most part. Like, I like stuff that's like real wood, really good quality, like really heavy duty, that's gonna last. So we went to this little shop in downtown Frederick. They have so many cute little shops, like owned by, you know, they're like local little businesses and stuff, like owned by, they're family owned for the most part. And we saw somebody who does like chalk painting stuff. My mom does that. She's actually done like my daughter's dressers and like different items, like furniture items. But she has a warehouse kind of that she does her work in, and we're going to go there next weekend. And I'm really excited because I'm sure it's going to be way better quality, like for sure. So that's what we're going to do. And then I'm going to be blending this out more too. So don't you worry about a thing. Okay. And then my outer corner, I'm trying to decide what I want to do. I've been doing a lot of like purple looks, kind of like vampy looks, but you know, today my husband got to pick out my little look, so like whatever. My little baby's crying, of course. She does not like nap time. I'm trying to think what I want to do today. It's like every single day. I'm gonna have to work this out when I start my job, hopefully, which I find out about my clearance this week, that I'm really excited about. Let's do like a wine look. Okay. Taking the Wine Harvest shade from the Hudson Valley palette from Nomad as well. Oh yeah, that's good. Using the shade Treat from the Spook palette. So pretty. It's like blue, but like purple and like a little bit of pink. Oh my god, it's so good. And then, it's real smoky today. And then taking the Province palette and using the shade Sauvon de Marseille, which is kind of like a similar, well, it's not as, I don't know. I like them together. I love Nomad and Grwm together. And I love using my fingers for shimmers, even though they get messy. You can just wipe them off. I use the little like brush cleaner thing, the sponge thing, to wipe my fingers off. That's what I use. And then I'm going to use, you know what? I'm gonna do like an orange because that'd be kind of cool. I'm gonna do Leaf Peeping from the Hudson Valley palette. Yeah, that's cool. I love this palette, and I like the shimmers. I wish I had a little bit more, but it's okay. I like that they're in the middle though, and I do like the 3 that are in here. Are really, really good. No one has still talked about this Bare Minerals concealer. It's so good. Like, I don't know why people aren't talking about it. I would like to apply it with using my fingers, and I'm going to spot and conceal a little bit. I'm using my Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue as well. It's so good though. Like, oh my god, my nose just looks like shit today. And I'm closing today, and then I'm opening tomorrow. Like, it's gonna be... Alright. Okay, look at this. But this is not, like, crease. Rob's making something, and he's watching horror movies and stuff, because he loves Halloween. Like, it's really good coverage. I always put, like, on too much, but I like that it kind of, like, blurs out your pores, too. Like I said, nobody talks about this. I don't know why. People need a... Bare Minerals just doesn't get enough love. I swatched one of their new palettes that is in a little set. Put on the screen. It has like a multi-chrome and like iridescence and stuff. Like, it's really nice. It has a pastel green in it. And then it has a like some shifty shades. Like, it looks really nice. So I don't know why people aren't loving them. Persona Dune bronzer, of course. And then I'm going to use my Face Fury cream blush in the shade 2, Merit Beauty highlighting balm in the shade Kava, and then I'm going to use my powder. I was going to use my Charlotte Tilbury, which is in my Shop My Stash, but I'm sorry. I like the e.l.f. one, okay? That one's just like flawless and cheap. And then I'm going to use my Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush in Sensual. It's not vegan, but it is cruelty-free. I'm trying to use it up. And then I'm going to use my e.l.f. Contour Palette for highlighter and bronzer. I did hit pan. I think I'm going to do a video on everything I've hit pan on. And then this ABH highlighter that I can't even hold up because it is shattered. That's what I'm using. I just used the brow pencil from Tarte, and I think my brows look pretty good. And I used the brow gel, literally called the brow gel from NYX. What the? That was scary. Okay, and I'm going to put this in my waterline from e.l.f. The shadow sticks, the No Bud shadow sticks. These are so good. I'm sorry, but that Kat Von D eyeliner that I got in my Ipsy bag, like, I was so excited to get it because I wanted her eyeliner for a really long time. You have to go over and over and over and over and over, and then some of the product is like removed and is really annoying, and then they flake and they don't last very well. This like lasts, I mean, this is super dirt cheap. Like, I think it's like $5 and it lasts super, super well. And also the little pots too, they last really, really well as well. So I don't know. I don't get it. Lower lash line, we're gonna use the shade. Hopefully my eyes don't water today because that was really annoying yesterday. My eyes look so awful. So the Hudson Valley palette. I'm gonna have to like these get ready with me. I don't usually do super well, but they're kind of fun. Wine Harvest. Let me know what you guys want to see. I'm gonna be posting some more food videos as well because those are fun. I've been getting Hungry Root for the past 3 weeks and I really like it. So you guys are gonna see one of those this week, at least one. Like a cooking video. And then let's go in with Cauldron. And then I want to use a shimmer. I like using shimmers right there in the inner corner. So this palette is so good. All these are good. Maybe we'll use Trick because I have like something up here. So that's kind of cool. And then inner corner, I think I'm just going to do pumpkin, not just pumpkin, or should I do apple bob? Let's do apple bob and pumpkin. Ooh. I'll be back with my finished look, my final look. Very smoky, grungy, Halloween-y. I don't know. I really like it. The purple, the green, the little bit of orange, the red. Yes. And then I'm going to wear the Gloss Bomb by Fenty in the shade Cherry Heat. And yeah, that is my look. So let me know if you guys like these kind of videos, if you want to see any particular looks. I love trying different looks. I love doing different colors, brands, you name it. Let me know, if you have any suggestions or questions, whatever. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye, guys.